Okay, guys, my name is Steve, and this is WilmerWoodWorks, and we are in I wouldn't say studio, but we're in my shop. So I was fortunate enough to reach out to Movo. They have this awesome microphone here. I'll try to show the best I can while it's plugged in. It does accept USB-C along with an XLR hookup, and it is very nice. I mean, I can just move it around here. It fits on my little gimbal or little boom arm. You can, I guess I could move this all the way around and have it done up like that. This is a little bit more out of the way. This is the way that my other microphone was set up. And now, hopefully, you can hear me well. And let me back this up a little bit. You can see it's got all these controls right here on the top of the microphone. So it has the boost, the gain. You can even single out for the microphone and headphones, and you can also lock and turn it off. So this is my new gear kit setup for my tutorials and my voiceovers. So I hope my voice comes out nice and deep and crisp and clean like so many other podcasters out there. And what's nice too is it has this cover that's already built into it, so you can see kindly there. And this is a magnetic base, so I know they have a cast microphone where you can actually change the colors on these. And eventually, I'm hoping that I can upgrade my kit to get their podcast kit, which allows you to connect the XLR, which is this 3-pin little plug here, because they said that you can get better sound out of the XLR than the standard USB hookup. So yeah, let's go to an unboxing and a little audio check on this, and we'll see what we think, and we'll see what you think, and hopefully this works out well moving forward. Again, my big thank you for Movo for sending this out to me so I could test it out and improve the audio on my tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And also in the description, I will leave a link to this product. Ooh, notice my hat's all dirty. I gotta love it. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys. So this is what we've got: the Movo UM6 podcast microphone. It's a pretty small box, but let's see what it has. Activate the 2-year warranty. Well, that's nice. I don't know if that's a sticker or not. Happy, not happy. Little silica pack, do not eat. Cords. 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 The microphone. This microphone's got some weight to it. And that is everything in the box. So let's check this microphone out. Cute little bag. It is a heavier unit than my Snowball that I'm used to using. Nice matte finish. Everybody online has been talking about this magnetic little cage. And it does have the holder there. So we'll get this hooked up to the computer and we will see what we see. Or actually, I should say we will hear what we hear. So I'm going to hook this to my Mac. And I'm happy that they sent multiple cords here. So I'll be using the USB-C to USB-C because my MacBook Pro does not have USB-A's. So this is a USB-C, and that's a USB-A. All right, let's see what we can see. Okay, so this is the new Movo UM6. It's installed. I've got the indicator, balance on. Still trying to learn what all of these little functions do. And yeah, I mean, the OBS picked it up perfectly first time. So did my DaVinci Resolve. I did have the pop filter on, but it was a little loud, a little quiet, but it is a lot clearer and crisper than the Snowball microphone. The Snowball microphone was a little distorted and loud, actually. I think this one is a little bit more crisp, and I'll use this for a lot more of my tutorials moving forward. If I can share my screen. Okay, now that we are in, this is DaVinci Resolve. This is what I use for my video editing. I'm sure it would look the same in any other editing software. You can see your waveform. I don't have any video yet, but I will have video when I put the video together. So this first track here is the voiceover of the Snowball microphone. You can see how loud that is. This one is the UM6. It's very soft. This is after playing with some of the features, and this is with removing the pop filter right here. And then this is the same clip, but boosted to what I would think would be okay for one of my videos, so it won't be too loud and won't be too distorted. Okay, this is the final test before I actually go to the instruction manual and read it. Now this is going through the pop filter. Let me remove the pop filter and see if that increases. So this is without the pop filter. I'm probably about 2 inches away from the microphone. Yeah, I think that sounds good. I think this will be my go-to microphone moving forward. I know we're going to try to do a sit-down podcast style with Nick and I, maybe once a month or once every 2 months, discussing the car project. If you guys don't know, I just picked up my 1987 Pontiac Firebird, and I am going to be working on it for the next few months, building it up, restoring it, doing some customization to it. I've got a new video coming out probably toward the end of next week where I picked up a yard shed to make it easier to work in my yard, to keep the tools and the additional parts and things like that. But anyway, that's enough about that. I really do appreciate Movo for sending over this microphone. I think it will greatly improve my tutorials and my voiceovers. So let me know in the comments below, what kind of microphone are you using? Is the audio on this video a little bit better than you've heard in the past on my videos? And yeah, moving forward, hopefully this works out well. I do use what is within my budget, and Movo, like I said, they were nice enough to send me this for free. I will list a link down in the description below if you are interested in picking it up. And if you have any questions about this microphone that you think I might be able to answer, give me a comment below, and I will still keep the Snowball microphone because I did request that they send me the 2-pack podcasting kit that Movo makes, but at the time they were only able to actually send me the one microphone. So that means Nick, unfortunately, will be getting the old tech. Until next time, my name is Steve. I do appreciate you guys hanging out and checking out this equipment upgrade that I've got in my shop. So take care. Thanks for spending time.